Bold.
I mean, both sides eh, yung may special needs and yung walang special needs. Yung ano nila, yung interaction, I think
Yes po.
from there marami silang matututunan eh. Yung with special needs, makikita nila na pwede silang makihalubilo, 'di ba? I
Yes
mean,
po.
kaya nilang makipag-coordinate, makipag-usap, and to go together in a class, 'di ba? Yung wala namang special needs is makikita nila and how they treat and how
Yes,
they go along
they
with
will be humbled.
ang
Tama po.
daming pwedeng matutunan dun sa pag-mix ng students na
Yes
ganyan.
po. And normally, the children, yeah, they learn from the teacher, they learn from adults, but they will learn most especially sa kanilang classmates, sa kanilang friends. So, if you are wanting your children na matutong magsalita, to be articulate, they need to be mixed with children na enjoying talking, conversing.
So at least 'di ba, ang ganda ng naging feedback, ang ganda rin ng mga naging development sa bata, 'di
And
ba?
it's very successful. Marami po kaming students na they progress easily. There's a lot of testimonials from our parents na napakabilis po ng progress ng mga students.
Balik ako dun sa pagiging ano 'no, ang bilis makadagdag and mag-build ng confidence sa mga bata. Kasi from that
Yes.
small room, eh, confident na sila, and then when they go to outside world, 'di ba, ready na sila. Alam
Tama
na
po.
nila kung
Tama
paano,
po.
I mean how they will act outside, 'di ba, outside the classroom. Ang ganda nung purpose na 'yon.